Hello my beautiful people, this is your girl Janine and welcome back to another vlog. So it's been a while, so I just want to say thank you guys for always watching my videos and leaving comments and stuff. So if you're new to my channel, thank you for coming. Please subscribe. If you're new, you're just watching, subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. So what I'm doing today, it's something just random. So today I wanted to go to the airport to check out if Air Anthony's is traveling again, because remember guys, I don't know if you all remember, in the month of April I was talking about that I wanted to go to St. Lucia and I wanted to find out if they had a flight and stuff, and I did not get any flights, and that made me so mad. So, and I had to take the boat to go to St. Lucia, which I don't like taking the boat too much. But the thing is, somebody told me that they're flying again, so I want to see with my eyes to believe this. So I wanted to go to the airport, but I don't think it's happening today because they has a major problem on the road today, so with traffic and everything, so it's not possible. So I just have to go to the shop. So I said, well, I'm just gonna take you guys with me to go to the shop, and in the meanwhile I'll just show you all like the chicken and stuff like that, how much it cost here, because somebody asked me, so we're gonna do that today. So I really wanted to go and check this out about the flight and stuff, but I don't know yet if it's gonna be possible. If it's not possible, we're going to do something else, like going to the shop and see the prices of the meats and stuff. So today the weather is not 100%. It's in between. We've been having some rain, we've been having some sun, and you know what they say, if somebody tell you like the weather, it ain't good. Yeah, it's not good. So I'm just here chilling. Yeah, so I'm just, yeah, we're gonna see what's going on. So guys, there is something that is strange. Each time I pass by a church, the church bell ring. I have no idea. I don't know why this is happening. Each time I reach somewhere that has a church, it starts ringing. The bell starts bang, bang. Well, this is blessings, I guess. Blessings. I think I had to go to the mall to show you guys the prices of the meats, because they have more varieties of meats and stuff, but with this traffic I ain't doing this. Yeah, so we're gonna go to this small supermarket to do this. So we just going to the small supermarket close to where I live, called Ecomax. We just gonna go there, and yeah, it's right there. I wanted to show you guys the traffic, but I don't have a good view from there. From here I don't have a good view from the I don't have a view from there. And even though I trying to zoom in with the camera, no. So we're going to Ecomax. It's this small supermarket. So I'm in there. It's just a teeny tiny supermarket. It's not big. So I'm going to show you guys. So we have some, well, they have some sale here. Promo means sale. That's his ribs. So that is ribs all cut up already. So the price is $14.90. Not bad. Yes, I have to show you. Yeah, that is 2.5 kilos. Yeah, 2.5 kilos. That's about almost 5 pounds. Yeah, we have the same one. We have the same one here. No, it's not the same thing. That is megas. That's sausages right here. See the sausages? Yeah. So the sausages megas. It's called megas. It's 1 kilogram, and it's $7.99. So the megas is beef sausages. I think they have the lamb also. So here we have some pork here that's already cut up right there, and we have some pork chops. That is 1 kilo. And that's the one with 2 kilos, I think. This one is 2 kilos, so we're just gonna see the prices. So the 2 kilograms is $10.90. It's $10.90. And the 1 kilogram is $5.55. So here you have the chicken that's already cut up in pieces for you, and it's 1 kilogram. It's $9.99. I'm just gonna show you guys. So that's how it looks. It's cut up in small pieces. So small pieces. So that is pork also. For the kilo, it will cost like $7.95. So we have a lamb neck here. And the lamb neck costs yeah, it's $4.99. Good morning, guys. So it's the next day. I had to stop my video because of copyright music in this supermarket. So I'm gonna take you guys somewhere else to continue the vlog, because YouTube don't play with those copyright music. And I think it's better also because they didn't have too much to show, so it was a good thing. A little bit of sweet, but we'll continue this vlog no matter what. So I don't know where I'm taking you guys yet, but we're going to figure it out, okay? So guys, I decided to go to Carry Price, which is right there, right here, Carry Price. So we're gonna check out the prices of the meat, fish, chicken, beef. Gonna check out the prices. So this is Fort-de-Fos, Carry Price in Fort-de-Fos, Martinique. So we're gonna start with the shrimp. Wow, they have some sale going on here. It was $5.45, so now it's $3.45. They look beautiful. Kanika, baby girl, would you like some shrimp? We have pork here also. It's already cut up. There's ragu de porc. That means you can make stew pork and stuff like that. $8.25. I have the chicken drumstick. It's how many kilos is in there? Let me check how many kilos in there. Can see how many kilos. Oh, it's right there. Yeah, so it has 2.5 kilos for the chicken drumsticks for $9.59. So that is not bad, guys. We have some fish here. Already cut up. This is a strange looking fish. It's $4.89. I think we have some calamari here, but I don't see the price. That's the thing. We have some boxes of chicken here. So that's chicken thighs in the box, and the box Cuût, it marks Cuût de poulet the 10 kilo, that means 10 kilos of chicken leg is $26.99. Yeah, 10 kilos. So here it marks elder dend, so I think it's turkey. Let's check it out. Turkey. No, that one is chicken. I don't know why it's marked turkey. Oh, the turkey is right here. The turkey is right here. So the turkey is $25.99 for the turkey. So you have the chicken wings, 1 kilo of chicken wings. So it's $3.89 for the kilo. And here is the same thing. Chicken costs $3.55. All that is chicken also. You have the chicken brochettes. The chicken brochettes is the chicken they already cut up, but they put it on this pigs. So the chicken brochette, it marks brochette de poulet, that means $9.49. So here we have the local chicken, the rooster, how you want to call it, the cocks. Yeah, that's a local chicken. So it's 1 kilo. So the 1 kilo is $4.25. You have the smoked chicken, pre-baked. So the smoked chicken pre-baked is a kilo. That depends the size of it. Okay, this one is a kilo and kilo 200. 1 kilo 200 grams. Yeah, so that's the price, $11.35. So here we have some turkey neck. Turkey neck right here. It's 1.5 kilograms of turkey neck. So turkey neck is Cuût de dinde, so it's $7.29. So we have some liver here, cow liver. That's how it is, and the cow liver costs. That one is looking real nice. So the cow liver is $6.95. So we have some beef here, some beef fillets here. Is not looking that nice and red. I don't know why, but yeah. How many kilos is in there? I have no idea. Let me check here, because that's, they don't put how many kilos, but that's the price, $17.99. And you have some beef also here. That's beef you can make soup, and this one costs $13.75. Look at the difference. That's what I was saying. This one looking so healthy, and this one is not. Look at that one. Look at that and that. That's what I'm talking about. This one is fresh. Yeah. But this one is $17.49. This one is cheaper, and this one is not even looking nice. So this is goat meat, lamb. I don't know if it's lamb or it's back. Yeah, that's the price, but that's the price, $12.89 for the kilo. It's not for this, it's just for the kilo. So that depends on how much it's weighing. That one have 2.25. So that depends. Here in Martinique, we usually do this on Christmas time, or they call it gigot d'agneau. Gigot d'agneau, guys. I don't know how you call it in English. That's the problem. But I know it's from the the goats. A lamb, I don't know, a leg or whatever, but it's from the goats. And the kilo costs $12.89. So you have some ribs here already cut up. The ribs, you have some pork here. It's not looking that healthy either. It's like white as snow. So the ribs, I don't see the ribs yet. The price of the ribs, price of the ribs not there. We have some brochettes also, beef brochettes. The beef brochettes cost $8.99. Yeah, the beef brochettes looking good. And all of that is pork also. And we have, that is rabbits. The rabbit costs $12.25 for the kilo. So it has 1 kilo 200 grams for the rabbit. And here we have some pork here. This one is looking a little nicer, this pork. Yeah, it's $5.99. And we have some good pork chops also. Kilo. That looks like it's about 5 kilos or something in there for $14.25. So the prices of meat in Martinique is not bad, guys. It's not bad. It's not that expensive. Yeah, look at that big bag of pork chop. So we have the ribs here, right? My favorite thing, ribs. You can buy it like this in the bag. In the bag like this. So the ribs, you have this one for $9.75. The kilo in the bag. And the box, you have the box, the big box. If you want the box of ribs, it's $23.95. Yeah. So you have the shrimps here. You have what is called the wasu. You have this one that costs $10.95. And this one's here. This one's a little healthy for me, but they're all white. But it's a different variety. That's the problem. Just showing you guys. So it's $6.75. And you have this one that's all nice and pink. Shan, baby girl. I think you would love those. And this one is $6.99. And you have this one at the side. This will have more in it. This one looks really nice. So this one is $7.45. And it keeps going and going. You have the jumbo shrimp, the big ones. So the big ones is $6.95. Yeah. You have the salmon. You have clams right here. The salmon, just for 4 fillets, put $14.59. And you have the one in the box with $5.55. The clams, you have this one. I think this one is for let me see, yeah, $4.99. And the smaller one here is for $4.69. And you have these ones here that they already take out for you and stuff, but I don't see the prices. And we have the crabs here. That is crab meat. You can make a good salad with it. Crab meat. Yeah. You have the calamari rings there. And you have fish fillets. It's fish fillet that cost $5.25. Cost $5.25. And you have the snapper that's already cut up, sliced snapper. The fillets of snapper. I like buying them like this because I don't have to clean them up and it's already, yeah. So it's $15.45. And all the other fishes that there, you have this one also. This one, the color is nice. It looks like a parrotfish, but I don't know. It's a kind of a snapper, I guess, also. Yeah, look at that. It's nice. It costs $9.19. Yeah, we have some parrotfish here also. Is here. Poisson perroquet. It's $8.19. Yeah. Or $8.99. I don't see. I think the price is looking strange there. I don't know. But it's a parrotfish. I never bought this fish to eat because I always think like this fish just look so beautiful, like it's not supposed to eat. And we have these fishes here. I don't know how you call them. Yeah, but they cost $6.25 and $4.90. And here, I think this is mackerel, fresh mackerel. Yeah, fresh mackerel. This is fresh mackerel. I like the salted ones though, but this is the fresh ones. So it costs $2.75. So guys, that is it for my video. Give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'm looking for juice to drink. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.